वेलकम बैक माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। तो हम पढ़ रहे थे पाठ 12 संसार पुस्तक है और इसका लेखक है जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी। जब तुम कोई छोटा सा गोल चमकीला रोड़ा देखते हो तो क्या वह तुम्हें कुछ नहीं बतलाता? नेहरू जी अपने बेटे इंदिरा से पूछती है, इफ यू सी अ स्मॉल राउंड पेबल, डजंट दैट पेबल हैव समथिंग टू टेल यू? Yes, the people have a story to tell you. यह कैसे गोल चिकना और चमकीला हो गया? How that pebble become round, shining and soft. और इसके खुरदरे किनारे या कोने को क्या हुआ? What happened to its rough corners? अगर तुम किसी बड़े चट्टान को तोड़कर टुकड़े टुकड़े कर डालो तो वह हर टुकड़ा खुरदरा और नुकीला होता है. If you broke a big rock into small pieces, each pieces are so rough and shapeless. यह गोल चिकने रोड़े की तरह बिल्कुल नहीं होता. It was not exact size or shape of the pebble. The pebbles and the broken pieces of rock are entirely different. But do you know that broken pieces had transformed to pebbles? How that happened? फिर यह रोड़ा कैसे चमकीला चिकना और गोल हो गया? How that broken rock piece had transformed into round, shiny and soft. How does this happen? So that people have a story. Let's listen that. अगर तुम्हारी आंखें देखें और कान सुने तो तुम उसी के मुंह से उसकी कहानी सुन सकती हो. Nehruji is advising his daughter that if you watch the nature closely, if you listen to the nature very carefully, then the nature itself will tell you their life history. The same way, if you watch the pebbles so closely and if you listen to the pebble so carefully, the pebble itself will tell you its life history. वह तुमसे कहेगा कि एक समय जिसे शायद बहुत दिन गुजरे हो वहां वह भी एक चट्टान का टुकड़ा था. Now the pebble is going to tell its story. बहुत दिन पहले, many years ago, I was also a piece of big rock. ठीक उसी टुकड़े की तरह उसमें किनारे और कोने थे जिसे तुम बड़ी चट्टान से तोड़ती हो. Now the pebble is telling its story. When I was broken from a big rock, I have a rough body and I was shapeless and I have corners too, which is so sharp. शायद वह किसी पहाड़ के दामन में पड़ा रहा. And this rock piece lied at the bottom of a big mountain for many years. तब भी पानी आया, then the water came and I was taken to a छोटी घाटी तक ले गया. This water took me to a small valley and from the valley वहां से पहाड़ी नाले ने ढकेल कर उसे छोटे दरिया में पहुंच गया. पहाड़ी नाला means a stream from the mountain took me to a small river and after that इस छोटे से दरिया से वह बड़े दरिया में पहुंच गया. From the small river I reached to a big river. It is a long process. It took many years. First, it was broken from a big rock. It was a small rock piece. Then it lied under the big mountain for many years. Then the water took it to a small valley. From there, the mountain stream took it to a small river. And the small river took it to a big river. So this was a big process, which is a long process. It took many years. So during this time, what happened to that rough, shapeless rock piece? It was in the water. It was rolling over in the water. So what happens? The sharp edges were scrubbed in the water and as a result, it becomes smooth. And lying underwater for many years, it becomes so soft and shiny also. और उसके किनारे घिस गए और वह चिकना और चमकदार हो गया. The sharp edges were scrubbed and it becomes so soft and shiny. And that is how the pebbles were formed. Actually, rock piece and the pebble are same. But when the rock piece had undergone lots of transformations, the rock piece changed into a soft, shiny, round, lovable pebble.